Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of, you guessed it, Michigan Pathways. So real quick, we're doing my breakdown for my 60-mile hike from Grand Sable to Quantum Falls. See what you got here. I've unpacked my bag just to double check everything one more time. So in the back there is my Walmart. Yes, this is not sponsored by Walmart, but a lot of stuff I have is good for me, good for my budget, and I'm getting out there and getting it done. So, anyways, 65-liter Ozark Trail backpack there with my tent stakes right there. That is my food bag. That is a 20-liter dry bag that will have all my food, my cook kit, my silverware, and everything in there. That's roughly at 9.5, almost 10 pounds right there. That's a lot of weight, but that will come down as we go along. So you see my 2 bottles there for water. I'll be reusing those as I go out. No need to take a lot along with me. Over here is a hoodie that I'm going to be bringing. Pretty lightweight. The long underwear plus my socks. The possum skin down socks from zpack. Also, I got just a quick change out of socks and boxers right there. Here's my poop kit. Got the man wipes in there. Got my trowel. Got my hand sanitizer. That type of thing. This is an extra stuff sack that I'm going to use for later on when I use for my pillow. Right now, my darn tough socks are in there. So, but this will stuff away really nice. This is my knife that I'll have with me, and then my tripod. Then I have 2 battery packs. Not really sure if I want to take them both. This is the stuff sack for all my ditties. Up here is my first aid and a little bit of ibuprofen. Here's my bandana, the extra batteries for my Lux Pro headlamp. Run of the mill, you know, $9. Can't go wrong with it. Yep, those things. These are my earbuds. And then here is my aqua clip from UGQ, or not UGQ, zpack, so sorry. Kind of fits right up there, kind of slides up there, really nice. Over here is my canister. Also, this is a brand new canister. This is my Stanley cook pot and my Coleman 1 burner. The bag that it fits in, my cap over there. Here's my Sawyer squeeze and the bottle or the bag that goes for that. This is my air mattress. This is my Climate V. This is also just a small pack-away fleece blanket. Weighs probably about 2 to 3 ounces if it's anything like that. Then you have my trekking poles, and then you have my Ozark Trail that I got off of Amazon. Really good 2-man tent, and then my footprint. So real quick, everything I had, I weighed it out, and I'm roughly at 38, 37 pounds, give or take. But I took some stuff out, and I'm going to rearrange the bag, so hopefully it'll be a little bit lighter. If you guys see anything in here, or if you don't see something that I should be taking, let me know, and then I will definitely get it packed away. So you have till Saturday night, and then I'm off on the road to Grand Sable on Sunday. So let me know what you guys think, and then hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys after. Take care.